Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Game Pass on Donate Please on Roblox. So just have to follow and you watch this video till the end. So you want to create like this a Game Pass donation, as you can see. So how to do that? First, close your game, close Roblox and open your Roblox in your browser like this. So come here to the home page and you will find here this bar. Click on create. So in create page, go here to this list and click on creation. So if you don't have experience, you have to create one as I'm doing and click on it. For example, this is my experience. I will just click on it like this. And after that, guys, I will go to monetization here and click. It's going to show me this list. I will go and click on passes. And here on passes, guys, I will found my already passes. If you don't have, you will find nothing. For me, I have this one. So I want to create one. How to do that? I will click on create a pass. I will change the picture if I want. For example, I want to use this picture and I will give a name. For example, like, I don't know, donate, please. And then you have to add a description if you want, and then click create pass. So as you can see, it's creating, as you can see, but it's not for sale. You have to click on it again and click on sales and click item for sales. Turn on this option here on price and give a price. For example, I will add a price. Maybe I will add like this, and then I will click on save changes. So when I save changes, I will just go right now and open Roblox again, and I will open my game. So right now when I open my game, I will go to the place that I want to make my donate section, and I will click on E. And as you can see, I add this donate pass. So as you can see, it's down. That's all, guys, in this video. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you in another tutorial.